So I was just going to go over a couple things with you guys. I was going to show you how to copy links and how to export out a high-resolution JPEG and how to do a file package. So if we open up our links panel, we can see our links in here. We can push Shift to select all of these links, and then we can go to this little stacked line menu and then go to Utilities, Copy Links To, and then just make sure that you get all your links in the correct folder. So I think I put these in the 231 business card project, and I need to go into my images. They're already in there, but this is how we would do it. And then you just push choose to make sure you have all of your links in one spot within your project folder. And then if we go open up the info panel and use the direct selection tool, we can click on our different images throughout and check and make sure they're in CMYK and that the effective PPI is this number here is above 300, the effective PPI. All of mine are looking pretty good. So those are my only 2 links in this document. So make sure you do that. If they aren't in CMYK, go into your links panel and click on it and then edit with, so you do a control click or a right click with a PC mouse. If you don't have a PC, it's a control click, and then edit with Adobe Photoshop, and then this is where you would change the mode to CMYK color, and then you would just save that, Command S. PSD files will have the transparent background, so you might want to save as a PSD. Then we can go back in here. So that's how you would kind of change everything to CMYK if you don't already have it in CMYK. You can also check the image size in Photoshop as well, so image size. And this is actually kind of small. If I check this box, it'll link everything up, and then I can do, let's make this 300, so 1.5 by 1.5 inches. It's at 300, which luckily on my InDesign document business card, I made it small enough to where it's 300 DPI. So I'll show you how to do a JPEG. This is what you'll probably print from File, Export, JPEG. Put that in here. Make sure you put it in the right spot. Actually, I think I'll put it in this level, not this one. And then do a save. Make sure this is at 300 and this is at CMYK, and that you're doing all pages. So this should be checked. And then export. And that'll give you high resolution JPEGs to print from. There'll be 2 of them. So we go in here, we can see that the 2 JPEGs. So one's the front and then one's the back. Here's the back. It's just blank, but and then we'll do the file package now. File, package. It should just automatically do it for you. If you don't have it saved, it'll ask you to save. This might be checked, just uncheck that because we don't need it. So it'll copy the fonts, the graphics, and a PDF for print, which will be high quality. Hopefully over here, high quality. And it'll name it My Business Card, Merry Business Card, and it'll add this folder to the end. I guess I'll add spaces here. I already did it one time, but I'll do it again just to show you. Package, and it'll do this, and then if we go into our documents, we can see that it's in here. It's this one that we made today. We go in here, it'll have INDD, high resolution PDF, and the links. So I'm going to add these high resolution JPEGs into this new one, this new packaged file that we made. Oops. Gosh darn it. So just grab these and drag them in. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with my... There we go. So I got those in there. So this is what I want I want all of these things, PDF, JPEGs, InDesign file, and then all your links. And it should have put my fonts in here. I'm not seeing them, but make sure the fonts box is checked when you do this. Anyway, and then you'll zip this up, so control click on that and then compress. And this is the file that I want. I actually did it on the wrong one, but just remember to zip it up and bring this into Brightspace for a grade.